Actor Rajpal Yadav walked out of Tihar jail on Tuesday after the Delhi High Court granted him interim bail on Monday in a check bounce case. After leaving jail, he spoke to the media and said that prisons in India need major improvements and better rehabilitation for inmates. While speaking to reporters, Rajpal said, "I have an appeal. In our country, we don't know the difference between a prisoner and a respectable person. But I have noticed that jails need to be upgraded for today's time." He also talked about long-term prisoners and said, "There are prisoners who have already been convicted who don't need to go to court and have been there for 10 years due to a mistake they made. Their behavior and conduct have been observed over time," adding, "At least 10% of them, like how we have lifelines on Kaun Banega Crorepati, these prisoners deserve lifelines. If 10% of them are released and rehabilitated, they could be a strength for our country. And if they don't change, the law spares nobody." After his release, Rajpal again thanked people for their support. He said, "I'm about to complete 30 years in Bollywood. Every person in the entire country stood by me, which is why I was able to make 200 to 250 films. Everyone in this country is a part of my heart. They were with me and are with me." He also explained that his case has been going on since 2012 and that he has always appeared before the High Court whenever required. Rajpal said, "The way the entire country, the world, and Bollywood have loved me, if I face any allegations, I'm available to answer. Thank you, High Court, for giving me the opportunity to be heard." The Delhi High Court suspended his sentence till 18th March. The order was passed by Justice Swarnakanta Sharma, who directed Rajpal to submit a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees and one surety of the same amount. The court also noted that the pending 1.5 crore rupees has already been deposited in the complainant's bank account.